Well, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take the clamp that I showed you in my previous video, how I said you can clamp it to a gun. So I got neighbors, so I can't use a high-powered rifle or nothing on this video, so I'm actually going to use an air gun. But I can clamp this. I put the clamp on my handgun, as you can see, and I'm going to take my DJI Action 5 Pro, and it's going to connect onto the gun. Just like so. Make sure I got it on there snug, I don't want to lose it. And what I'm going to fire and do, but I'm going to use my camera on my gun, but I'm going to fire at these cans here, and just to go to show you how well this setup even works. You can put the camera underneath if you'd like to, but I put mine off to the side so I'm aiming wherever I can kind of view the camera at the same time. So we're going to try this and see how this is going to work. So I'll turn my camera on. Let's try it out and see, because I'm actually quite excited to do it. So here we go. I want to stand back a little bit away from the camera, but somehow I want to be in the camera, but somehow I'm going to try and do this so you guys can view too at the same time. All right. And then I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom up my camera. Get a closer view on the DJI. So I zoomed it up too. I put the zoom in just so I can get a closer view of it, just to see what it's gonna, just see how it works. Anyway, this is the first time I'm actually trying it with this thing. So we're gonna try this out, and I know this is gonna work, because when you put these clamps on, they're tight. They're not coming off unless something wiggled it and loosened it off. But there's no rattles, no nothing. So okay, we're gonna do this test here and see how it goes. Okay, I got my camera on. That pellet is going through them cans so quick, it's not even knocking the cans over. I love it. There. Them cans will never make love again, ever. I love doing this. I'm gonna go stand those cans back up and we're gonna try it again. Maybe I'll even put the camera at a different angle, maybe where, I don't know, you can kind of see me from a side view or something like that. I'm gonna try it that way anyway. This thing holds 16 rounds, so this little gun's a lot of fun. And always make sure your safety's on when you're not using it. And when I said that can will never make love again, I hit it right in the peeper squeaker. Right there. Not bad. Oh, I gotta have fun with this. Okay. Let's see if we can do this again here. Okay, I hit record on my DJI. Let's see here. Oh. Now I'm out of ammo. But there it goes to show you how easy something like this could, how well that these actually work. Like I say, and you can also put it on have the camera or whatever sitting down lower, so it's kind of like sitting under here like so. You can do it that way or whatever too, and it'll work on your rifles and like I say, handguns, whatever. But it's kind of nice when you're down at the range, or if you want to make a hunting video, you can put it on your bow. There's another thing you can do with it. And you put it on your bow and you can use your camera or whatever for a view camera, because I know with the chest harness, you have it on your chest and you go to shoot a rifle and you're like this. Well, now your camera's facing out the other direction. So it kind of defeats the purpose of even having the camera. Or you're going to have somebody have the camera or whatever and to view you, but it gets all shaky and everything else, or it just, I don't know, it takes two people to do it that way. This way or whatever, well, I can use this camera, I'm doing for this video, and then I'm taking my Action 5 Pro, mounting it on the gun, so now I can split the video somehow. Like, I gotta edit it and play with it, and then I'll split it up or whatever, and then make it look like, you know, I'll put all the videos in one. Or I can maybe put it even on a smaller screen or something, but just something to make this video. Okay, I brought the camera down. I'm going to do a little bit of kneeling position, a little bit closer to the cans. I'm just trying to get everything on video, like, so you guys can see. But even at long distance, like say if you're shooting, I don't know, like say you're bow hunting, or if you're big game hunting or anything like that, it would be nice if you're up in your tree stand, or if you're in your blind or whatever, have the camera on your gun, have it ready, and I don't know, you can video your own shots, make your own little hunting video or whatever, like things like that. Yeah? Just an extra little thing to do with this little clamp. Like, this is a nice little clamp. And the handgun I'm using too, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but this is a Glock 19 BB gun. You go to any of your local Canadian Tire or Bass Pro or Cabela's, and you can get this gun actually at not a bad price, 150 bucks or something like that. And hard hitting little gun. Like, I must say, it's a darn good little gun. It seems like the CO2s last quite a bit. It's got 16 rounds. But okay, I'm gonna take a couple shots with this, and we'll do this shooting again. Shoot those nasty cans down. It's like zombie cans, gotta kill them. Oh. Them cans will never come back to life now. Fun little hobby or whatever, so if you're out at the gun range or whatever and you're target practicing or anything like that, hook a camera to your rifle or your bow, your crossbow, anything like that, and you can have fun and record what you're shooting. So it's a fun little thing to do, so I thought I'd just demonstrate that a little bit. It's a quick video, whatever, and show you guys how it is. So I guess I'm going to end this video, whatever, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have fun, everybody.